one of you, Siddharth, has been asking one question. He wants some question of the older students to be taken up. Siddharth, I give you a choice. Tell me what you want to ask us. What strategy for prelims and mains? Okay. Beta, pehle to aap padhai shuru karo. Like I said, start with optional. Do the bridge preparation first. This webinar is not for the old timers. Okay. This is for those who are starting off. Okay. August to December. सिद्धार्थ अगस्त दिसंबर तक अगर आपने कोर्स पहले खत्म कर लिया है, then do as much of answer writing as you can. In fact, we have a fair idea about what type of things trouble you. Maybe we'll have a separate webinar on all of these topics. Right now, it's an initiation process for the freshers. Shuru karo process. Okay. So, shuruat mein, if I'm summing up the conversation here. Okay, so I'm assuming 2021, okay, is what you are preparing for. Maybe August, okay, or July is your prelims. Your approach has to be start with optional in the month of August. While you are doing optional, try bridge preparation for the basics of your GS, so that your NCRTs get covered. You have a fair idea about the GS content. Do the bridge preparation. Current affairs is a continuous process. It's a continuous process. Do not depend too much on process material. Rely more on newspapers. Those who are working professionals, you need to be more disciplined. Okay, and make sure you are doing some work on daily basis. आप हर दिन के basis पे थोड़ा-थोड़ा काम कर रहे हो, and don't pile up all the work toward the end. Your bridge preparation is about completing your NCRTs. और again, suggestion to all of you, NCRT का भी कुंजी मिलता है market में, उसको मत पढ़ लेना. You read NCRTs on your own, do the basic readings on your own, make your notes. Do not go for summaries for everything. So apne aap bhi padho. In fact, while doing NCRTs, you have a fair idea whether you actually want to get into IS preparation or not. Agar NCRTs aapse padha nahi ja raha hai, it tells me something about your focus and your commitment to work. If NCRTs mein agar aap interest nahi bana pa rahe ho, it tells me something about maybe you are not sure about what you want to get into. So NCRT is a very good basis. You will decide what optional you may consider taking up. And a very important point in all of this discussion was, okay, that please do not unnecessarily, don't delay your preparation. Don't wait for COVID to get over, offline classes to start. अगर 2021 के लिए prepare कर रहे हो, see this as a golden opportunity. See this as a golden chance to take off and build a lead over the others. So some of you asking about essays. बेटा essays के लिए अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. First, read your current affairs, develop your skills of analysis, learn answer writing. Essays comes much later. आपको current affairs में पकड़ नहीं है, आप essays में क्या करोगे अभी आप? Okay, so don't talk about essays right now. Just follow some basic NCRT bridge process first. Okay, and then of course, don't delay. ये debate है online अच्छा है कि offline अच्छा है, पूरा waste of time है. And those who are older students, but it all depends on what is your level of preparation as of now. I think most of you should be focusing on the prelims, which is coming in October. Okay, और आप कुछ मत सोचो अभी. In this webinar was not for the old students, but if you are here, then stop the debate about strategizing. You get into your tactical, clear the prelims, which is on October the 4th. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे आप और क्या कर सकते हैं.